Spent the day on a Doubtful Sound cruise with Real New Zealand. Started well before dawn, and we saw the sunrise over Lake Manapuri. The sun was rising slowly, so we could see the golden hues as it crossed the fields and the mountain slopes. The golden light brought about a very eerie feeling, very mystical feeling as we crossed Mount Manapuri. We then came to a bus ride over the mountain pass where we could actually see the whole sound. When we got down onto our boat, there were other boats that were going for overnight cruises. The sun was coming up, but you could see how the shade and the light and the dark was playing off of the sides.
Yeah, the cups are quite a lot smaller. I don't think they're really wide. The little characters that do the males that are quite grumpy and grumpy, and they can't seem to stay away from the stick out one of those. We are quite lucky to be able to see seals of the numbers that we've got here. They're almost constantly extinction. So Captain Cook randomly knows all the seal population along the field at the time. So they're taking a few for a period rigging. Individual ships were sailing into Sydney with over 60,000 sealskins per ship. So obviously, those numbers definitely not sustainable now. It's not a real nice way to say it. It's a quite good industry. We'll be in a row pub. Nothing to worry about from the land. They're pretty much sitting ducks. Really ducks. 6 meters, 1 kilometer, 50,000
From the seals, we went out into the Tasman Sea and looked back at the sound and then further down the coast. This was a special occasion. We then turned back into the sound, and this is where Captain Cook said it is doubtful we'll get the ships back out again. As we were coming back through the sound, the light was still playing off of the mountains and onto the sea. We were incredibly lucky to have such a glorious day, but it was still windy and cold, and it was very difficult to hold the camera in place. When we got near the end, the captain decided to pull into a bay and have a silent moment, and it was a truly magical experience as we sat there with no engines and no sound and just the birds for about 5 minutes. It was truly incredible. When we left the bay, we headed back out towards the end of the sound, passing by more waterfalls that we could see now coming out. And we go in towards the bay where we're going to take that pass back over the mountains. And that's again now in sunrise. And now we are at Lake Manapuri and heading back through. This is the power station where they built the reason for building the road. As we leave the boat dock and the Sound, heading back now towards the beginning of the trip. The trip. We are now at the end of the journey, coming back into the harbor at Lake Manapuri and Manapuri Sound. There is a little wee bookshop in town. It's called the Little Wee Bookshop at the End of the World. This was an incredible journey, and I am very grateful and hope that you enjoyed. Thank you.